Hello students, welcome to this session of our moral science class. Last class we have discussed about the first two chapters and I think you understood about the two chapters, you have studied it well, and also question answer you are written in your note copy. I hope that you are written, and when the school will reopen you will show me. And now we will see the next chapter, third chapter, page number 12. Open your book. Okay, open your book, third chapter, never quit. Never quit. That chapter will read. Very interesting poem, this one. Okay, and never quit. That one we'll read now. So first of all, whenever you are going to read never quit, so many different things is come to the mind that what is never quit? What is the meaning of this never quit? Okay, so this is a very interesting poem written by Muhammad Iqbal. Okay, he is a poet he's an Indo-British poet. Many poems, many stories, many comments he has given during the time of independence war time. He has wrote this all. So whatever, but now you see what is the meaning of never quit. Never quit means life is not a bed of roses. Our life, when we are maintaining our life, I think you are now student in a school, you are now studying, then again you will become young, then again you will become old. So in your life, complete life from childhood to a person to become old, the life is not the bed of roses. Means what? Only happiness. It is not like that manner. Always not happy will remain with you. Okay? Happy and sorrow, both always remains with you. Okay? Everybody's life. It may be a rich to rich person, or it may be a poor to poor person. But with everybody, happiness and sorrowness both remains always. Okay, so life is not a bed of roses. Bed of roses, poet here it is said, bed of roses means what? Bed of roses means always be happy. I am always be happy. Nobody can claim. Okay, everybody's life, it is twisting is there, sorrowness is there, so they have to cover it. Okay, we will have to have many difficulties in our life. Many difficulties will come. Small difficulties, have big difficulties. Sometimes many difficulties are coming. Okay, during the course of our lifetime coming. Okay, and we should face our difficulties boldly. Okay, we should have courage. We should have that much strength by which we can face our difficulties in our life. Who will be the person who will successfully face it? He will win the race. Understood? That means in his life, whatever difficulties are coming, maybe small difficulties or big difficulties, whatever it may be, but with the strength, with the courage, with the strength, proper full strength, if he remove the difficulties from his mind, he face the difficulties properly, then he will be a successful person in his life. Okay, so regarding that, the poet, it is narrated here a poem. Okay, we should always remember one thing. What? A winner never quits. Okay, a winner who is in the life, who is the winner, he never quits. Maybe sorrowness come, maybe difficulties come, but he struggles. He faces it. Okay, with his full strength, he faces it. And he will become in the life, he is the winner. Understood? And the quitter never wins. Quitter means what? He is living the life. Some obstacles came, so he will suicide. Some of the problems came, difficulties came, he will go away from home. Okay, so that means quitting. His life struggle, whatever it is coming, he is quitting. If any problem, small problem or big problem, whatever it comes to life, he is fearing, oh, it will happen like this manner. So in my life this happened, so I am completely died. This problem came. So like this manner, he is harassed. So like this manner, that is the nature of quitters. Okay, he quitting his life. Then at last he'll go and suicide. So that means he is quitting. So like this manner. So he is the quitter. So he cannot win the life struggle. So the winner is he who will become a winner only in the life, who will the full strength, full boldly and courage, he will fight against the difficulties and wins it. Okay, so that he is the winner. So regarding that matter, the poet has written a poem here. Okay, now read this poem. We'll read this one, what it is he is written. Okay, we'll read this poem. When things go wrong, when any type of things go wrong, as they sometimes will, that is the nature. Any work you are doing, definitely wrong will occur. Every time the correct manner you will do, that is not like that manner. We are not the God. Okay, so in our life, many mistake will be happen. Many wrong will be happen. So that is the nature of the thing, nature of the work. So when the road you are trudging seems all uphill. Trudging means, you see difficult words you can write in note copy. Trudge, walk slowly and with a heavy steps. That is trudging. Trudge. You write down these all words. Okay. So when the roads are trudging seems all uphill. While you are walking and roads are the uphill roads, then you have to, your walking will be slow and heavy steps you will take. Okay, you will take the heavy steps. Understood? And when the funds are low means monetary resource. Monetary resource are called funds. Okay, monetary, financial resource. Okay, financial resource are low, less you have. The debts are high. At that time, the debts are high. Debts means money dues. Okay, somebody to whatever, there is a credit, it is there, so that is to be give. That is called dues. So money dues are more, but money to return to the money, the dues are more, but fund is low. At that time, the problem comes. You will face the problem, difficulty will come. How will you do it that one? How will satisfy to all? How will return to all? So that one. Okay, so that is your difficulty. So that time your courage and your strength and your patience is much more important. Your patience is much more important. Your courage, you must have keep courage. You must have strong at that time. Okay, so if you will harass, then everything will spoil. So you want to smile, but you have to sigh. Okay, you want to smile. When your requirement will come to smile, you have to smile. Then your expressing is sadness, but you have to show the sadness. You cannot smile. You cannot laugh, because in sadness is in your mind. So you, by hiding, the main thing is that how to do that one. In your mind, the sadness, you hide it and show your face as a smiling face. That is the main. So you should how to overcome your sadness. So you show your smilingness in your face by hiding your sadness. Okay. So when care is pressing, you down a bit. Okay, and rest if you must, but you don't, you quit. When care care is pressing. Pressing means immediate action. When anywhere it is immediate care, it is immediate action required. So you down a bit. So that time you make it slow. But rest if you must. But you can do it. But don't you quit. But don't leave it. When much more careness required, that may be by you yourself, maybe it will be careless, it may be slow. But don't quit it. Okay, don't quit it. Be courageous. Okay, and life is queer. Life is strange. Queer means strange. Okay, so life is queer, and with its twists and turns. Our life always not the straight way. Many twists are there. Many obstacles are there. Curve lines are there. Many upcomings will come. Many obstacles will come. Okay, your school life, you think your school life is always not going smoothly. Sometimes you are getting punishment. Sometimes you are doing mistakes. Sometimes somebody else are putting you in trouble. Sometimes you are not in the study well. Sometimes you are not doing well in examination. So that means you should not be quit your study. You should not leave out your study. You should be struggled. You should be keep courage and continue your study. Maybe sometimes slow down. Maybe sometime problem will come. But you try to overcome that problems. Okay, overcome the difficulties. Sometime in the examination time, what happens? You felt ill. Your health was not good. You were not able to attempt the examination by which you have failed. That means you will stop the study. No. You should continue. You should try again. Definitely you will be winner. Definitely good result will keep. Okay. So life is queer of twists and turns. So like this manner, everybody's life is certain twist and turns. Okay, certain type difficulties comes, problems will come. So as every one of us sometimes learn, and while you are maintaining our life, every moment we are learning something. Every moment new things we are learning. Okay, and as everyone of us sometimes learns. Okay, from lesson. Suppose you are in examination, you are unsuccessful. That means you have learned a lesson. So next time, the mistake whatever you have did, by which you are failed or unsuccessful, next time you will not do that. Okay, and definitely you will become successful. Okay, so next class we will discuss about that.